Okay, we have the inner tube patched up. We're gonna have to hurry up so that we could put in so that the patch is in between the tire and the inner tube and it's being pressed together so it seals nicely. So this as far as the wheel will come out with the wire still attached. Okay, everything's put back together and the inner tube's still holding up, so that's good. Like I said, we're gonna have to order a brand new inner tube and put it on there because we can't sell it with a patched inner tube. But everything's back together, and I think the reason why there were so many sections that pinched was because maybe it was just one little hole, but if you keep riding it, then the inner tube is gonna pinch it some more. So if you ever get a flat, just stop riding as soon as possible if you plan on patching it. If not, if you plan on just getting a new one, a new inner tube, then go ahead and ride it a little bit more. See ya.